Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a monsoon favorite, one of my favorites, and that's Onion Bhajiya. I've got some thinly sliced onions. To this I'm going to add some ginger paste, finely chopped green chilies, some curry leaves that have been chopped up, freshly chopped coriander leaves, some red Kashmiri chili powder, salt, jeera powder, ajwain seeds and some turmeric. This is going to be mixed properly. To this I am going to add in some besan ka atta and some rice flour. Rice flour gives our bhajiyas a nice crispy feel. You don't need water to be added to this to make your batter because the onions start releasing moisture and that's more than enough. I'm going to keep this aside for about 10-15 minutes and then start frying my bhajiyas. My oil is hot. I'm ready to fry my onion pakoras or onion bhajiyas. I just take a little in clusters and fry it. My onion bhajiyas are fried nice and golden brown. I will remove these on a plate lined with kitchen napkin. Our onion bhajiyas or pakoras are ready. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.